with time, there has been a considerable increase in the number of candidates, which maybe in 2015 was around 26,000 or so, and till date, in 2016, we had a total of 84,012 candidates appearing for this AI PVT, that's All India Pre-Veterinary Tests. Now this test, which was held on the 14th of May in 2016, was at 152 centers in the country in a total of 42 cities. Out of 84,012 candidates, 72,534 appeared for the exams. And all this was for a total number of 452 seats, which is 15% of the All India quota. The All India quota is 15%. So all these are competing for these 452 seats. The reservations are also there for SCs, STs and physically handicapped also. The entire application process is made very, very easy, and it's all online with the signatures, thumb impressions, photographs, uploading of photographs, even the payment of fees, so no documents have to be sent at all to the council office in Delhi.
Big states are already having 2 or 3 veterinary colleges like Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, whereas Goa doesn't even have a single veterinary college. The proposal will come from the Veterinary Council of India to the Chief Secretary, and if the local government, the Goa government approves, then only the proposal will go ahead.